case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 1990 case, Huffman v. Caterpillar Tractor Company, examined the idea that if someone is partially responsible for their own injuries, their damage award may be reduced accordingly. The case involved Susan Huffman, who filed a product liability lawsuit against Caterpillar Tractor Company after her husband was killed in a work accident while operating a Model 561D pipe layer. The plaintiff initially won $950,000 in damages, but this was reduced to $475,000 due to her husband's 50% responsibility for his own injuries. Both parties appealed the decision. The court ultimately affirmed the district court's rulings, including the reduction of damages for the plaintiff and the admissibility of evidence regarding subsequent remediation of a product defect. The plaintiff's appeal and the defendant's cross-appeal were both denied.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.